Alright folks, here comes the Amtrak Coast Starlight train number 11 to Los Angeles. Yep, 305 and 330 leading off of the ALC 40, a P42 DC Taylor, number 50. Three oh five and 350. Yeah, number 50. On the coaches right there. Y'all on YouTube. See y'all later. Have a safe trip to Los Angeles. Alright folks, look at that train going to Los Angeles on the coast subdivision. I want to ride on the Starlight next time. I might do it this summer to go to Los Angeles. Alright folks, there go that train again, going to Los Angeles. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one.